Hello, everybody. Welcome to holding the volume button until it hits 5,000. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's going up fast. And just so you know, I am holding up the volume button. Look. See how... Sorry, I keep covering it up. Okay. So this is gonna take a while. Oh yeah, I'm changing my hand. Now it won't block the camera. I can draw with my other hand. Okay. Pickle. Pickle, 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 pickle. Cucumber. Okay. Man, that actually hurts. Once I did 40,000. Yeah, this is what this video is modeled after. It's one of those videos. Okay. Subscribe, everybody. Oh, no, I don't want to. We're entering the year. Let's see if we can stop on the current year. There we go, 2023. Click it. Okay. We're about to get halfway there. Okay, we're halfway there. Just sitting here, pushing the volume button. Have 2 fingers on the volume button right now. Okay. 3,000, 3/3 there. Okay, this is less painful, but okay. Okay. Just look at this go. I kind of want to do more challenge videos, but not like this. I want to do like not eating for 24 hours. Or eating only vegetables and fruits for 24 hours. Yeah. Okay. 4/5. Okay. Okay. Let's see how long a 10 is. 1. So about like 2.5. Okay, we're getting close. Hold on. Let me just go back a little minute. Then I press the plus button a few times by accident. Okay. Here we go. Oh, wait, I didn't even realize it. I didn't even realize that we did it. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. See you guys next time. Bye.